Hello, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our channel. And I'm Caitlin. Yeah, this is our product. This is our valve assembly. If you're interested about this one, please follow me, okay? This is our VCI anti-rust bags. And on this part is the label, the Shumatt logo. If you want to print with your own logo, contact us. And the logo, label, the packaging bag, and so on. Yes, the customized services. Product code F00RJ02410. The application model number 0451201789, 0451202220, 0451201313, 0451200353, 0451200355. This part is a QR code. Wow, the inside. Two types of the inside part, the packages. Let's talk about one of them. Little ice cream, so cute. Wow, the whole side. Also, we supply the separate parts. This one. Hoi. This is a valve cap with coating and cover letters. The valve roll in different lengths, different sizes. If you want other sizes, contact us, okay? That's all the details, yes. 3 tips I want to share with you. First, clean it with the oil. Second, make sure the valve cap in the right position. Third, make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's the tips I want to share with you. Talk about the warranty. We have the 6 months warranties. Yes, during this time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us, okay? Yeah. So much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.